Let's take a look at the stock market. I don't think we will find many buying opportunities. I think it's quite the opposite. Tesla is down a further $7.40, 3.9%, closed at 180.74. Post-market up by $1.15. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. We are resting on our support at 180.38. Yeah, this is not too much of a surprise. We'll see if we really stop there. We have stopped there today, but we could be continuing. Of course, we have lost stochastic over 60. This is not even a question. We have lost our SI, so things are being reset, basically. So we are back into the congestion zone between 180.38 and 194.35. So these two buy signals were very short-lived. It was possible to make money, but it was not super easy on those ones. Let's take a look at the VIX. So VIX has been going up quite high. So we are up 7% at 1480, at 1445. So we broke during the day, 1485 right there. We came back down a little bit. So, there's a lot of uncertainty in the market. 10-year bonds going down, so this should be helping, and the US dollar is stable at least. Let's take a look at the stock indices. So we are breaking outside of our bullish channel right here. So this is another sign that maybe things are going to turn around. S&P 500 still on support, the bullish channel support and the horizontal support that I drew there in case I wanted to short that one. So at 50.56 on SPX, if we go lower than 50.56, then this is your short. So yeah, it just came right smack on it and now it's bouncing on it. So for myself, I won't be shorting yet. I'm going to wait until 50.56 gets broken. Nasdaq also on support. So 17,839 on support. And no, let me adjust it. I'm going to adjust it here at 17,803. If we break 17,803, we might have some shorting opportunities down to 16,965. Let's take a look at our EV stocks. So EV stocks, not too bad. BYD is maintaining on support. It's maintaining itself on support. Came right smack down on it yesterday. Now it's moved a little bit higher, but we have lost 24.48. We'll see what the rest of the week has in store for us. Rivian caving into this downward resistance. Expand going sideways. NIO had the earnings call. Wow, 17% surprise, negative surprise in earnings, and also a negative surprise in revenue. So wow, this is not going too well for the EV stocks, is it? Now this candle is pretty strange. If we go on the 1-hour chart, we had the big move down and then we came back up. So buyers are considering $5 to be a good price and they are still buying that stock so that it's not going lower, at least for now. Let's take a look at the Magnificent Seven. So Apple still falling. And we could see that Apple here on the earnings call, even with positive surprises, it did a great day, but then it just didn't go anywhere. Amazon back into its congestion zone. So if you bought because of the buy impulse right here, just get out and let's regroup on that one. Google continuing to fall even faster than the bearish channel. Meta still above support. Microsoft never broke resistance at 1425. Now it's just back into the congestion zone, no stochastics. And for all of these, if they break their horizontal support, that's a short. So Microsoft 394.19, Meta at 452.07, 452, and Amazon 67.18. So we might be having some shorting opportunities soon. NVIDIA is just continuing, not as strong, but it's still in its bullish channel support to its bullish channel. ARM going sideways, still above 128.42. Not too bad. Palantir at the bottom of its congestion zone. AMD, pretty much an even day. This candle yesterday was not looking super good. So it looks like even though we closed just a little bit lower, we still made the lower low. SMCI is stabilizing a little bit. Gold continuing up. So gold is just hesitant. So 1654 was a support. The support was a resistance that we had August of 2020. August 2020, it was a high. And now we are right smack at the same place. And we have not broken it. We are pretty much right smack on it. So we'll see what happens. Silver cooling down a little bit, cannot break $8. So $8 was the threshold. $8 was the resistance that we needed to break in order to get it by. Bitcoin caving in a little bit. Ripple also, wow, lots of volatility there. Neo battery material, it seems to like 18 cents. We are not, so we are just back above it. Novamont graphite continuing its move down. And Novonix, not too bad. Novonix came back down to 231, but holding its own quite well. So we should see by the end of the week what is happening. Are things continuing to deteriorate, or is it just a passing gray cloud? Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.